ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Hadir makalami ke jing persya nagi pat ba ke rilum jantia halo ke jing bam pendrung ya ke tin jantia ke state anthem la plai pat ba dang shen da ke sarkar ha ke jing rakhe ya ke jing dap san po arsnem ke jing jilla papura jong ka Meghalaya uba polling do ubulong menteri ber unong ai ketin jong ka sarkar jilla ha ka arfu saw trek uklaling kod arja arfu saw la pin shai pat ba bala Shna ya ke ni ke jing ruai da ke ba pinshong nong rim Katkum ki kattu ka ni ki an ki rules jong ka Meghalaya State Language Act. Hakajing kran bakilat pas hai kubor ba polling do uloong bakajing Shna ya gani kajing ruai kolong banwanra ya kajing etli hakajilla Meghalaya om ban Shna na kabinta ban pinsngo bha yeno ni ban ben yeno.
An official anthem of the state of Meghalaya. It has to be based on certain acts and rules adopted by the state. Our reference point here is called the Meghalaya State Language Act. The Khasi language may be used as the associate official language for all purposes in the district, subdivisions and block level offices of the state government located in the districts of East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Jaintia Hills and Ribhoi. The Garo language may be used as associate official language for all purposes in the districts, subdivisions and block level offices of East Garo Hills, West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills, provided that only the English language shall continue to be used in all civil and criminal courts located in the state. This is the basis on which the state anthem has been conceived and composed. It is not somebody's wish or ill will towards any community. And the anthem is about unifying Meghalaya. As far as if you go through the lyrical content of the song itself, it reflects a call for unity. And we have always believed that the Khasi Jaintia is one single cohesive community. We have, in fact, the whole idea of adopting the anthem is also to push forward the cases for inclusion of the Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule to the Constitution of India.